Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Revolution Provocative, Reloaded Provocative, that's the one. And yeah, and obviously we've done the first eye, so you can see what we're recreating. And then we're going to do the rest of our...
2 different eyeballs.
Yes, it looks like Kelly has 2 different eyeballs.
You know what I mean.
We're going to finish off the other eye. I've already primed mine. Kelly's already started with upper hood. And then we're going to do our foundation and talk about the eyeshadow and what we think of it. So Kelly.
Yes.
What made you so interested in makeup?
I don't know actually. Oh, I think I got into it more when I went to college.
Did you want to debut when you went to college?
No.
Why'd you do it?
Because someone else signed up for college for me because I wasn't going to go, I was just going to get a job. But then, yeah, someone applied for it for me and then I got accepted and then I had to go for my enrolment thing. And I kind of just went from there and I just done it because
you can.
Just because why not? But I'm glad I did because it was actually alright.
Did you leave with the same friends that you made? Did you leave with...
Yeah, I went college with my friends from school. In the beginning I did anyway. Until I met new friends and then I met Jessica Boodison.
Jessica Boodison.
When did you get into makeup?
I actually don't know. Like, I genuinely have never been a makeup person. Like, ever. And just all of a sudden... I think I like the artistic side of it. It's very...
You want to become an artist.
But yeah, I think I got more into it when I started watching YouTubers and... like, just seeing how everyone does their makeup so differently. It just... was a fascination.
I think we got into it around about the same time because I remember coming down there and seeing like, all your stuff and that. I thought, oh, this is all cool. And then obviously that's when I went to college and that.
Yeah.
And then you was getting more and more stuff.
I'm pretty sure I started getting about that point, started giving you some of it.
Yeah. And then, because I wasn't really interested in makeup at first. It wasn't till I genuinely like went to college and started doing it, and I thought, you know what, this is actually alright. So I've never worn makeup.
Yeah, I never really used
to. It just wasn't my thing until I started doing it.
Would you have said you was more of a sporty type of person?
No, I was more into my nails. I used to always have nails on. Like, there was never a time I didn't have nails on until I literally went to college and they said, yeah, so you can't wear nails anymore.
That's what I hate about college at the moment, is I'm not allowed to wear my nails.
Great. My eyes are really different. Don't know.
I can't tell you. I'm not that. What's the point of eyeliner?
Well, see, I ain't put the champagne colour on.
Not really. Like I said, it's because you've blended this pink up. And that side you still haven't blended it up.
There's always one eye better than the other.
Do you know what that is a thing though? Having one eye better than the other. I always find that when I look in the mirror as well. I'm pretty sure I've got 2 different eye shape in general. And he dotted on my eye.
It'll do, I guess. This eye still come out better than that eye, I think.
What is that?
The eye that I normally do first, but I didn't do first this time. Because I don't know why.
So now we've finished the eyes, we're gonna do the face, and then we'll get back with you to tell you how it went. With you. So
Okay, now I feel like I need to open my eye extra wide now because my eyes just look really droopy. I look dopey. I won't like these lashes.
they're literally just super dog lashes.
Are they?
Yeah.
I like these ones.
Double volume, edition 40. So this is our finished looks. And Kelly gets her face on the screen.
Yeah, well, my eyelashes coming off.
The eyeshadows, they blended very easily. They build very well.
They're just good.
They're just good.
Yeah.
The only words you'll get out of Kelly Capillo's. They're just good. Fucking mint.
Fucking sick.
On that note, we are gonna leave. Bye.